6 drawers per side, and we're going to make it all out of wood. No metal slides, no nothing like that. First thing we're going to do here is obviously get the dog out of our way. But yeah, I got to clean it up. I've been storing random crap down here for a while, so I'm going to clean it up and get started making the frame and making the boxes for the drawers. Okay, follow along with me. Hope you enjoy this video. Thanks. Say goodbye, Rocco. Say, let's get to work, Rocco. Yeah, Rocco. Nice down here. Let's get to work. Let's get to work, guys. Let's get to work.
Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. Never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same, cause that's what it takes. Pieces is a form of art. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same, cause that's what it takes.
Very simple construction, just created a box out of plywood. This is 3/4 inch, good one side ply, and yeah, 4 sides, bottom. These 2 little runners go in between here, and it slides nice. That kind of helps it from sliding around in the back. Let's see if the supervisors like it. What's in here? What's in here? Huh? What's in here? Oh yeah, what's in this one? What's in this one? Oh yeah, good boys. Well, I think you like them. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. See you on the next one. Good boys.